When I was taking the back wheel off, the brakes were locked, meaning that the self-adjuster in here has seized up. And since I'm still getting hits on this Plymouth Breeze, I decided to do a little video about the back brakes. And there's the first spring you take off. And it sits right in there like that. So you have to unhook it from the left side. See how the left side's got a little hook? That's where you have to undo it from, pull it off with your vice grips. You can't do it on the right because you see. And then from there, this other spring can come off easy. That's for your self-tensioner. There's the spring here. Can easily come off. I had to pry that drum off. Took me half an hour with the screwdrivers. So I'm taking the self-tensioner off, and I tried getting the screwdriver out the back here. There's a hole, and it didn't budge. The shoes are too tight against the drum. Pull it out of there, just like that. And there it comes out right like that. And that's seized. You can see why, all the rust, eh? And this is the part here where you shove your screwdriver in the back and you turn this with your screwdriver. And it'll push your pads further away or closer to your drum. Yeah, I'm giving it this force, and this is all it can go. So can you imagine doing it with the screwdriver through the back? You won't get nothing more than just that. There. Look at how nice and free that is now. Good. Fix that. Now to put it all back together. Trying to get it off. When you hear the snap, you know it's broken free. That or your socket has snapped. But I think the bolt has yeah. See, there, socket's still good. That's 2. I got 3 to go. Somebody at a garage over torqued it when the tires were put on. Oh. There's another one. This is how the bolt looks like and nut, which is the bottom of the shock. But this arm is in the way to pull the bolt out, so I'm taking this arm off too. This one's 18mm, and then I'm going to lower it and just work from there. See, now that I have this bar loosened off, this nut is fully accessible now. Let me get some later. This little pin bent sideways, so right now I'm going to have to put a wrench to that to hold it on this side. It just keeps spinning. Now go in the trunk and undo those 2 bolts. light getting stuck in there. Oh, the light will come off now. Out. There. Is that your phone? Yeah. Here, I'm gonna. Still rolling? Let's see if I can wiggle it out of here. Oh, you're bringing this up as well.
Yeah, it's rubbing on it.
You're gonna have to back off the jack because it's gonna. No, this whole knuckle system's got to. Okay.
Get your screwdriver ready. Just throw in there.
It's not lining up there. You can see it on that side. We'll have to line it on the opposite side now.
Okay.
There, now we can put the nut on the other side. Oh, see, it's not lining up. See, the bar isn't, the bolt is not lining up there. See the difference? Yeah, okay. Bit more. Oh, too much. That should be enough to get the, yeah, I can feel the thread there. Keep knocking the camera here. There, now I'm just tightening everything up.